Okay, finally. Okay, hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. This is what we could have to say about the Reverend Sister put on social media. When I call out on the father for EGA Mala practical. And this is what he wrote. And I will analyze it as I read it. Content creation will destroy the church faster if the ordained are allowed to use social media without control. What this Reverend Sister wrote on social media might be true, but let's ask these questions. Who exactly is she writing it for? For what purpose? After trending, has she gotten justice? I wish he can ask Father Nwebe Joy that question. Ask Elijah Enugu that question. Ask Father Bubedike that question. Ask other Reverend Fathers that question. That them coming out to social media to write all the things against Evangelist Ebuka Obi to the church. Called the church. And at the end of the day, on a Facebook with justice, propose had you be on social media, and he will be clapping for them. Also, if truly she have a serious issue, as you narrated, why not tell us the steps you have taken to seek justice internally and where it failed? Who are the key people you approached and they denied you justice? Mention them, because we also want to know those who are encouraging evil within. Now you abandon the right people and ran to the wrong crowd to tell your story. Has social media given you justice? Those clapping for you and sharing your post, do you really think they love you? Most of them are enemies of you and the institution you belong to. I wish he knew this, that some of the people clapping for them, now the case of Lovett, that some of the people clapping for them when Elijah Enugu spoke, now his adoration ground, that's all those people clapping for them, now all the joke how they make it on social media, that those people know against the same institution they are trying to defend. And under highlight how I wish normal. Let us continue. Let us continue. And asking the sister, what steps has she taken? Father Nwebe and do to enable Evangelist Ebuka Obi, but are they not aware that in a Catholic church in necessary bodies how you report Evangelist Ebuka Obi to? Why can't they write to those bodies to handle Evangelist Ebuka Obi as a Catholic? Why had you taken a decision to come out and start bantering him on social media, and these people now support here? Let us continue. Let us continue. They don't support you because they love you. They do it because they hate the system you represent. How I wish not understand it. Now he is getting the point where I was telling Elijah Enugu to withdraw that particular statement to make him buy na adoration. If not, how I wish no understand, but yeah understand there, because no you're not in the picture then favorite here. But now since they took a gisimon or potential advice sister need for advice on do to ye hame as an ordained, what is the business of social media people with the internal matters of your fellow ordained? If your goal is genuine reform, is social media the right platform? Don't you have a platform where your fellow ordained can hear you and act? I wish you not call Father Nwebe to order, Elijah Enugu and the rest of them to order. He uses the social media neither address Evangelist Ebuka Obi. He may not be an ordained priest, but he's a Catholic, and he has presented himself to be so. So for as long as no not a Catholic, it is something that should be handled internally within the Catholic Church. Why are you encouraging them coming on social media? You came on social media with Father Nwebe Joy. Is he not an ordained? Are you? Yeah. Sometimes when I look at the behavior of our people on social media, don't come I feel like leaving this place for you people, because clearly I don't belong here. I don't like people speaking from both sides of their mouth. Whether Nenapugo or Nenapugo, I will keep dragging you out because no bualo. Look at the caricature and mess up on support. Na adoration enugu eweme evangelist Ebukobi. Did you not occur to you that what you people are doing is fight against the church? And now those people who are sharing you people up are the people who are also against the very institution you are standing on. So this is when you now feel like it can be handled internally because it has something to do with your favorite reverend fathers, those people who are untouchable, those people who cannot be touched. Yeah? Those people who cannot be touched. Yeah? Okay, flow, eh? We have to apply that truth. It's even so you never thought that the fight against Evangelist Obi is a fight against the church. You never thought about it. The fight against Evangelist Obi is the glory of Nde Matayase, which are the people who are against that institution, which is the church, where even those reverend fathers in a praise are also standing. Yeah? And at the end of the day, Father Nwebe Joy doing whatever thing he did on social media, Elijah Enugu on social media, na bamba, na entertain. What result did they manage to sort out Evangelist Ebukobi through social media? Then we have necessary authorities within the Catholic Church where they can write to either Lagos State, Lagos Catholic Diocese to address the Evangelist Ebukobi's matter. Must they come to social media? Yeah? Now you are giving the advice I have been giving since, but because now your personal Lord and Savior are involved, and those people you like, you love to protect, you only come out on social media to come and make noise each time I call Father. The other time, and then you look at the podcast, J-Pack, whoever war Nde Father, Emapata, Ebo na Bona Father, Emapata, Ebo na Bona Father, Emapata, Mana Oziafa, pastors, Evangelist Ebukobi before no so Sineku, Yegente, all the cast of church, because Nde Father also Nde Christians same way. Other people and other pastors, they don't belong to the same Christian family. Onafu Bohife, Agbogo Mono na Monga ways go with the last person Yafu Dane, if you wake us wedo, a machine on Epoma Pongo, you gotta go Epoma Pongo. I will call you, I'll remind you, Kiwe Malo. Now we are watching you. Look at if in the Loto water. How I wish you need the same thing. We address some people during the time of Ebukobi Saga. But you refuse to understand that you are also wrestling against your own Christian brothers. That is still the same brothers in the same faith. And those nonsense I remember is to the glory of Matthias, who are against the very institution you think you are protecting. Now you know that it can be handled internally. It cannot. Social media has been made a tool to settle matters. Therefore, bring it out. Let us talk about it. Dalon.